To make the app icons on your iPhone bigger, tap and hold any empty space on your home screen. Then tap the Edit button in the top left corner and choose Customize. A little Customize menu opens, and using the icon on the top right corner, you can switch between large or smaller app icons. If you're having a hard time finding an empty space on your home screen, you can also do this by pressing and holding any app on your home screen. Then choose Edit Home Screen and follow the same steps as earlier. Besides changing the size of your app icons, this menu allows you to change the color and look. You can make them dark, transparent, or match a specific color tint. Pretty much endless options here. You can also make text bigger and the contents of your apps easier to read. Go to Settings and then Accessibility, and look for Display and Text Size. Here you have a lot of different options for making text easier to read. You can make everything bold or make text larger. Large text is supported by most apps, but keep in mind there are some third-party apps that might not support larger text. You can also increase contrast, invert the colors of your screen, and change other similar settings that can make it easier to see what's on your screen. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a look at my iOS playlist for more iPhone tips like this.